Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook boneless chicken breast. First, always pat your chicken breasts thoroughly dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures a beautiful golden brown sear. Next, pound the thicker parts of the chicken to an even 1-inch thickness. This promotes uniform cooking, preventing one part from drying out while another is still undercooked. Finally, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other spices you love for maximum flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the seasoned chicken breasts in the hot pan. Sear them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. The most important part is to ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit using a reliable meat thermometer for food safety. Once your chicken breasts are perfectly cooked, resist the urge to cut into them immediately. Instead, transfer them to a cutting board and let them rest for a crucial 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices, which have migrated to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire breast. The result is incredibly tender and juicy chicken. When ready, slice the chicken against the grain for the most tender bite. Cooked boneless chicken breast is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Serve it simply alongside a fresh garden salad or your favorite roasted vegetables for a healthy meal. It's also fantastic sliced and added to sandwiches, wraps, or even pasta dishes for a protein boost. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days, making meal prep a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.